Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I have my Sew Sampler box for the month of August, and I have our Quilt-along block of the month for the Bliss Quilt-along block number 5. We are going to make this. I'm going to pull out all of my fabric and everything I've been saving and see what we need for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all my pieces and label them, and then get to the point where we will be assembling them. I'll bring you back in. All right, I've cut all my pieces, I've labeled them, and started putting them together. I need a bunch of these little white blocks. I wanted 8 of them, and 4 of these green blocks. And then it told me to pair up on each one, draw a line and pair it up. So I'm gonna go to the machine and sew on the crease on the fold. And I've gone ahead and pinned all of these in. And while I'm at the machine, I'll probably do a, God, that's gonna be really small, another half square triangle to save it. But regardless, I'm coming out with 4 of those. And while I'm at the machine, it says to take these. Whoop. So I'm going to make a row of these 3, a row of these 3, a row of these 3, and then they're going to all go together to make a 9 patch. I have gone through and sewn the corners on, cut them off, and squared the blocks up. The strips that I'm using are a little wider than 2.5 inches, so it worked really well to square them up. I didn't lose anything. And now it says to put the B block in the corners of these, and these 3 are going to be sewn together, and these 3. I still have to do the 9 patch that will go in the middle, but as you can see, it's coming along. Okay, so I just chain pieced everything. Now it's just a matter of pressing and completing the assembly. Let's do it like this. Look at that. Now I'm going to trim this block because of my jelly roll strips being a little bit wider, and I haven't trimmed anything. Anywhere where you see the pinked edges, it's long. So that explains why I've got some length here. So maybe what I'll do, instead of trimming it now, I'm going to put this on here and center it, and then trim it after I put that on there. That will work really well. So I've got that. Okay. Ta-da! We're done. I like that block. It was actually pretty simple. Okay, so this is block 6 of the Bliss Quilt-along for FigTree Company from the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler monthly subscription box. I'll put the link to the opening of that box so you can see what else came in that box. And again, if you want to sign up, the link is always below for Fat Quarter Shop, and you can go sign up if you're not already. Let me know what you think about this block. I'm using different colors of fabric than what they are using. I'm keeping my colors, you know, in the same realm, but it's different, and it kind of gives me like a Moroccan tile feel with how it's coming out. So I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget the t-shirts are on my Etsy shop, which the link is also below. Anyway, thanks guys. Have a great day.